Hello, welcome to French as Second Language. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to ask and indicate one's language, city, and country of residence in French. This lesson is a part 2 of a lesson I've already made about asking and indicating one's nationality in French. I will link that video at the end of this one so you can go and watch it if you haven't yet. And if you are new here, my name is Isaac. French is my first language and I've made this channel to help you learn how to speak French. If that sounds like something you are interested in, subscribe to this channel. Now let's get into today's lesson. To ask someone what language they speak in French, in a formal situation you can say Vous parlez quelle langue? Vous parlez quelle langue? Which literally means you speak which language. You can also ask Quelle langue parlez-vous? Quelle langue parlez-vous? Meaning, which language do you speak? In an informal situation, you can ask, Tu parles quelle langue? Tu parles quelle langue? Which literally means, you speak which language? You can also ask, Quelle langue parles-tu? Quelle langue parles-tu? Meaning, which language do you speak? Asking and indicating one's language in French requires the use of the verb parler, to speak. And I'm now going to show you how to conjugate the verb parler au présent de l'indicatif, in present tense. Je parle. Je parle, meaning I speak. Tu parles. Tu parles, meaning you speak. Il ou elle parle. Il ou elle parle, meaning he or she speaks. Nous parlons. Nous parlons, meaning we speak. Vous parlez. Vous parlez, meaning you speak. Il ou elle parle. Il ou elle parle, meaning they speak. Now that you know how to conjugate the verb parler au présent de l'indicatif, let's see how to indicate one's language in French. Je parle anglais. Je parle anglais, meaning I speak English. Bruno parle français. Bruno parle français, meaning Bruno speaks French. Nous parlons un peu espagnol. Nous parlons un peu espagnol, meaning we speak a little Spanish. Il parle mandarin et arabe. Il parle mandarin et arabe, meaning he speaks Mandarin and Arabic. Now let's practice what we just learned using a dialogue example. Pierre asks Mark, Quelle langue parles-tu? Quelle langue parles-tu? Meaning, what languages do you speak? Mark replies, Je parle anglais et français. Et toi? Je parle anglais et français. Et toi? Meaning, I speak English and French. And you? And Pierre replies, Je parle couramment français. Je parle couramment français, meaning I speak French fluently. We are now going to talk about asking and indicating one's city and country of residence in French. But before that, I'm going to show you how to conjugate the verb habiter, to live, au présent de l'indicatif, in present tense. J'habite. J'habite, meaning I live. Tu habites. Tu habites, meaning you live. Il ou elle habite. Il ou elle habite, meaning he lives. Nous habitons. Nous habitons, meaning we live. Vous habitez. Vous habitez, meaning you live. Il ou elle habite. Il ou elle habite, meaning they live. To ask someone about their city or country of residence in French, in a formal situation you can say Vous habitez où? Vous habitez où? Meaning where do you live? In an informal situation, you will say Tu habites où? And to indicate one city or country of residence in French, you can say J'habite à New York aux États-Unis. J'habite à New York aux États-Unis, meaning I live in New York in the US. If you find any value in this video, please like it. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Also subscribe so you won't miss our future uploads. Thank you for watching.